Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily enable or disable the fitness app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video, and do not forget to put your likes. So let's get down to this topic, and let's say you have a fitness app like I have on my work. Disable it so that it is not here. To do that, you'll need to go into your phone settings and then select the screen time option. Then scroll down a little bit and go to this option. Next, select Allow Apps and Features, and here you will be able to see fitness at the bottom. In order to enable it, just click on the button in front of it. Next, if you have a password for your phone, then you will need to confirm it. Then, when you get back to your work screen, you'll need to wait literally a few seconds. And as you saw in my case just now, the fitness app, it's gone. In order to turn it back on, you'll also need to go back to settings. And you'll have to do the same thing, and you'll have to click on the Enable button. And also wait literally a few seconds for the fitness app to appear on your iPhone's work screen. This is the way, friends, you can easily disable or alternatively enable the fitness app on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.